Right now I'm putting paddy into the bamboo tray with my hands. Look at this. And I'm going there. I am winnowing paddy, right? Spreading. And with a bamboo tray. My bamboo tray. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan, an English content creator in Bangladesh. Ibrahim, please be careful. My dear friends, look at time I really work hard. I am an eager beaver. I'm extremely passionate about speaking English. At the same time, I'm really keen on making videos. It's my passion. If it is not my passion, how I make videos? Like making videos is not my passion. Is it possible for me to make a video? Not really. You have to learn English passionately. It should be your passion. What is your passion? You have to love English language. And right now, Ibrahim, look at this. I'm threshing paddy with my feet. I can still remember, I can vividly remember in my childhood with my mother, like this. I used to thresh with my mother, huh? In the backyard in front of my house. This is our culture, our heritage. I'm Mehdi. I'm an English content creator from Bangladesh. This is my culture. This is my country. I love my motherland. If I don't do it, I won't eat. I won't be able to eat. If I can't do it, I won't be able to survive. This is my real life, rural life. A farmer is the best person in our country. They work hard for ourselves, for our stomach. If I don't eat, how will we survive? Look at this. Oh, sorry. Look at this. They have boiled this rice, paddy, right? They have boiled it. Now basking. They're gonna bask in the sun. After that, please share the video. Share our culture. This is Mehdi. I work hard in order to make videos all the time. I try to show you something unique. দেখেন কত কষ্ট করে ভিডিও তৈরি করার জন্য। Okay. But now. So my dear friends, I am going to thresh paddy with my feet. গ্রামে আমরা ছোটবেলায় ধান রাখতাম। হ্যাঁ, কি করতাম? এটাকে ইংলিশে কি হবে? I used to thresh paddy পা দিয়ে with my feet, তাই না? এটা পা দিয়ে না, এভাবে পা দিয়ে আমার মাকে আমি দেখেছি এভাবে নাড়ে। এভাবে সরাই দিয়ে এভাবে নাড়ে। Right. English is a language. Everywhere you have to translate situation, everything in English. If you cannot, you're not a good speaker. You're not a language learner. You have to translate every situation. My slogan is translate every situation. Be practical. English is easy. This is my slogan. If you are not practical, if you don't learn something practically, how will you perform? Yeah. Thank you so much for making the video. Look at this. I love this place. এখানে থাকো। I always focus on the beauty of nature. I'm tired. Please share the video. Assalamu alaikum. If I made any mistakes, pardon me.